Hi everybody, this is your math teacher. Today we are going to talk about 2.1 4 and 5 digit numbers and place values. So we are talking about answers of them. So we have exercise of this page. First of all, let's look at them. The first question, what number is represented by the bead counter below? You know, represented means shows you. Bead counter below. Give your answer both in standard and word norm. Standard form means you write your number by digits, digit by digit. So word form means how to read your number. You write your number by letters, by words. Is right? First of all, let's find our number. So it's a bead counter. So beads like marbles in American language. So let's look at them. So how many beads you have? How many marbles? So we have 2. Let's continue. How many beads? We have 3. How many? 4 we have. So is there any? No. If there is no, I write here 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads we have. So it's easy to write the number. First I will start from the left side. Let's write the number 6, 0, 4, 3, then 2. We have a rule when you write the number from right to left. After 3 digits I put comma. So now that's easy to write standard form. Now let's talk about word form. It's very easy. So because we have learned from the last lesson, so it's about the subject. You start to read from the left side, from here until comma. Then when you come comma, you say 1000 and read the number normally. 60. Okay, now let's write it. 60,400 and 32. So easy, right? Now let's look at the second question. In the number 71,493, the digit 1 stands for. There is important words to solve the question, to solve the number. Stands for means. Stands for, we have learned from the last lesson when I explained the topic. So I talked about stands for, place value and digits. Value of the digits, they are the same meaning. So stands for means we will find the place value. The digit 1, where is the 1? 1 is in the 1000 digits. So how can I find the place value? So we have a rule, when you multiply your number, so to get place value, you multiply your number by value of the 1000 digits. So 1 times 1000 is equal to 1 times 1000. So it makes 1000. Now let's look at another one. The digit blah 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 is in the tens place. So which digit is in the tens place? So 3 is in the ones, 9 is in the tens. So 9 is in the tens place. The value of the digit. So 9, where is 9? In the tens place. So I multiply to get value. So they are the same meaning too. Like stands for, like value of the digit and the place value. This is another meaning of them. You multiply your number by value of each digit. 9 times 10 is equal to 90. Okay, now let's look at the part C. Blah 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 is in the ones place. Which number is in the ones place? 3. I am writing here 3 is in the ones place, and blah 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 again is in the 10,000 place. Which number is in the 10,000 place? When I look at here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 7. So 7 is in the 10,000th place. Now let's look at the question 3. Write each number in standard form. What's standard form? You write your number by digits. 39. Okay, I am writing 39,000, 390. Normally 39. When I say 1000, I said comma. Then I am writing 390. Now let's look at them. 15,000. So first let's write 15 comma 15,000. Then so I need to write 6. So is the correct answer? No. So how can I write 6? So okay, let's write it. Must be 3 digits. After that you need to put comma, right? If there is no 3 digits, I cannot put here comma. So 15 comma 0 6 0. Is that correct? No. Okay, now let's look at this one. 15 comma, so 600. Is that correct? 3 digit I wrote it. No, this is 15,600, but our number is 15,006. Now let's look at this one. I need to write here 15. Okay, first I will clean it. Then let's write it the correct one. 15,006 shows you 15,006. Okay, let's talk about question 4. Find the missing numbers below. First of all, we have the number and we have the parts of them. So 52,907. Now let's look at your 7, 0. There is no, because there is no number to write here. 900. 9 is in the 10th digit. So 2 is in the, 9 is in the 100th digit. I multiply by 9 and you write 900. So 2 is in the 1000. 2 times 1000, 2000. Then we have 5, but there is no. So 5 is in the 10,000 place. I need to write 5 times 10,000 makes 50,000. Now let's look at the part B. 73,820. So 70,000. 7 is in the 10,000 place. 3 is in the 1,000 place. 8 is in the hundreds place. Then we have 2 and 0. So 2 is in the which digit? So 2 is in the 10th digit. I multiply times 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So then there is no part. So because it's coming from the 0, it's not affect the number. So now we have a number 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2. So how can I write it? So we need to add them, right? Let's write it. 40,000, 3,000, 690, then 2. Okay, now let's add them. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 6, 0, 3, 3, then 4. So which number is it? 43,692. That's easy, right? Now let's look at the next one. 90,000 plus 300 plus 7. I am writing here 90,307. 007, 7, 000, 033, then 0, then 9. 1, 2, 3, comma. So first, your answer must be 90,307. I am writing in this space 90,307. So let's look at the question 5. Question 5 says, what is the value of each digit? So we have learned from the last lesson, right? I explained everything about the place value of each digit. So stands for. Now let's look at the 4. 4 is in the which digit? 1. 1, I need to get the place value or to get the value, I need to multiply the number by value of each digit. 1 times 4, 4. So I need to multiply 10. 10 times 2, I am writing here 20. 3 times 100, 30. 9 times 1000, 9,000. 2 times 10,000, 20,000. So another kinds of questions. So we have 8 times 1, 8. 5 times 10, so 50. So now you correct it yourself. 0 times 100, 0. 4 times 1000, 4,000. Then 6 times 10,000, so 6 times 10, 60,000. Now let's continue to solve another question. This is the 6th question. Write the short word name for each number. Short word name is you write your number and by digits, and you need to write name of the groups of thousands. First of all, let's look at it. When you come comma, you have to write this name of the groups, thousand. First, 91 by the digits, 91,000, comma 320. So 12,000. Let's write it 12. Let's write the number before comma by the digits. 12. Let's write the name of the groups for the short name. 1,000, comma 108. 108. Now let's look at another one. 41,000. Sorry, it's my mistake. So 41,000 by the words, comma, and 11. So 0, 11. 11 is 2-digit numbers, so I need to add extra 0 in front of this. Okay, so let's continue. Multiple choices test. So first I will find the answer, then I will choose. I will make a circle for A, B, C, or D. Okay, let's look at the question one. A natural number is modeled below. First of all, what number is this? First of all, I will count the square. How many squares? 3. How many squares here? 1, 2, 3, until the last one, 10. So how many tens you have? 2. If I multiply them, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Is there any problem? No. Then let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 numbers, so if I also count the number until the last, so I find 10 and 10. So we have a rule for the square to get number of the square. So if you multiply corner of this square, you find the number of each number on it. So 10 times 10 is equal to how many? 10 times 10, 100. So this is 100. So this is 100, right? Okay, for this cube is very important to find the answer. So maybe there are 10,000, maybe there are 100,000 square in it, but we have a rule to find it. Each number. First of all, let's look at here. Let's look at this is the first phase, something like that. So this phase shows you like your 100 squares, right? So when you count it 10 square, 10 square. So when you count it all, 100. So this is 100, but we didn't finish it. This is just first part. So but it divides into 10 equal parts, something like that. In the first part we have 100. In the first part we have 100 square each, but I divide it into 10 equal parts. So here is 100, here is 100, here is 100. So how many makes total? 100, 100, 100 times 10. We have a rule to get all number, easy way multiplication. 100 times 10 is equal to 1000. So it shows you 1000. Also this is the 1000. So now we can write the answer quickly. I add 1000, then 1000, then 100, 120, then 3. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, comma, 2224, 2223, sorry, your answer must be C. Now let's look at another question. So 510,000 plus 3,000 plus 101 is the expanded form of the number. So what number is that? Okay, let's write 510,000. What makes 510,000? 5 times 10,000 means 50. 5 times 10,000, 50,000. Then 3,000 means 3,000. 100, 100. So 1. Okay, now let's add the number 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, comma, 3, 5. Your answer 53,101. Is there any answer? 53,101. Your answer must be C. Now let's look at the last question. What is the smallest 4-digit number I can make using the digits 7, 2, 4, 1? What numbers I have? 7, 2, 4, and 1. So I need to get smallest 4-digit. So to write the smallest 4-digit, first I need to write 1, 2, 3-digit, then comma. So I need to write another one. Which numbers comes? First I will start from the biggest digit to write smallest number. Smallest number. What number is the smallest one? Then which number is getting small? So 2, then 4, then 7. 1247. 1247. Your answer is A. Now let's look at another page. So this is a surprise for you. We have finished the lesson here. So we solved all answers about 2.1, 4 and 5 digit numbers. So next lesson, be ready for the next lesson. Next lesson is 2.2 hundred thousands.